Wow. $12 billion in just 3 days. The global crypto market cap loses $12 billion in 3 days. The global market cap has been trading at $1,017 billion, and as of time of recording, it is about $1,005 billion. Now, Bitcoin alone have been able to drop below from $29,000 down to $25,000 plus. Now that means BTC have lost about $3,000 within the space of 3 days, just 72 hours. Now this have further affected most coins. Now when you take a look at almost all the coins, most of them are actually dropped in terms of market cap, in terms of price. Of course, the trading volume have really dropped. Well, the truth is, when the king is down, definitely every other coin will be down. That is Bitcoin. Now, I still believe that, wow, BTC, though since the beginning of the year, I believe they have achieved something good, because they started this year trading about $14,000–15,000, right? Now, the market have dropped down to $25,900, and I still believe Bitcoin will still rise. Now, let me tell you, sometimes we talk about people making money with Bitcoin, when people are making money with crypto trading. This is the opportunity, this is the time people normally make money with BTC. This is that time you see a lot of people want to cash out. You know why? Whenever Bitcoin drops this way, the next thing you have to go is to check the fundamental analysis. What caused the drop of cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin? Most times, if what pushes Bitcoin to drop is not something that is very strong, it's not 70%, something that will furthermore push the price of Bitcoin down, definitely expect within a few days BTC will start rising. You know why? Because right now so many people have actually pulled out, so many people have removed their money from BTC, hoping that the coin will start rising back. Now what happens next is that Bitcoin definitely, when it starts rising, people will rush back to buy it, so in order to make some profit. Now imagine that you have one coin of BTC and you bought at 25,000 and BTC started rising back to 29,000. At the time of recording, you will make extra $3,000 profit. This is what most crypto traders do. They target BTC when the coin is down. But anyhow, I still believe that the global crypto market is going to rise. Yes, even before the end of the year, I'm expecting the market cap to hit about $1,200 or $300 billion market cap before the end of the year. But I also expect BTC to hit $30,000 next move. Yes, BTC is going to cross $30,000 once again. Well, please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.